So another of my favorite utilities is Cygwin. I think that's how you pronounce it. It gives me a Linux shell on Windows 10. Prior to Windows 10, I'd never actually used it. It makes things much easier when it comes to managing Linux systems from Windows 10. It makes managing SSH keys much easier. You can access Windows binaries from it, so you can run Vagrant installed on Windows directly from it. You can access the Go language binary to compile Go directly from it. And you can install Python straight in there as well, so you can run Ansible from it. You can do all your Ansible things from there. Now my workflow is all Cygwin, and I want to share that with you today. So let's get started and go straight to screen. So of course, this is the Cygwin.com website. We're going to very quickly grab Cygwin, install Cygwin, and we're just going to grab the 64-bit version for Windows. And then we're going to jump straight into that installation. So it's a pretty standard installation. You just hit next. I download straight from the internet. Works perfectly for me. I just install straight to the default location. This is the local packages. These are actually downloaded and kept on your system. You can change this location if you wish. I don't go through any proxy server or anything like that, direct to the internet, and I just use the available mirror. And as you can see, it downloads the packages, and then we jump straight in. I'm going to start with Python. I'm going to grab the Python interpreter, but I'm also going to grab the Botto library for Python, simply because I do some AWS stuff as well. Next, I'm just going to grab OpenSSH, and this is obviously critical for accessing Linux systems and, of course, the Vagrant boxes as per the previous video. And then we're just going to hit next. Now, make sure that you select required packages so that it installs all dependencies. We hit next. It downloads them from the internet, obviously. So here we are, using the start menu, typing in Cygwin, firing up the binary, and here we go. We have a bash prompt and we have Cygwin. So let's talk about creating an SSH key. That's really simple. SSH key gen. I'm going to move it to a different location as I already have a key. Create a demo key. Please make sure you always throw a passphrase on your keys. And then if we have a look, here we go, we have an SSH key, just exactly as you would expect. And that is Cygwin in a nutshell.
Cygwin!